Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You reach for your phone, just like every other day. You check your bank account. Instead of a balance, you see nothing. Not $0, not an error, just nothing. You open another banking app, nothing. You could check your savings, gone. Your investment account, gone. You've probably seen one of these channels over the past few weeks. They're getting hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of views with very simple videos. And the best part? You don't need to be a finance expert. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to spend hours writing scripts. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos from start to finish using AI. Let's get started. The very first thing we need is ChatGPT. But honestly, you can use any AI assistant you prefer. Claude, Gemini, or any other good AI model will work as well. Our goal isn't to ask it to write a script immediately. First, we wanted to understand the niche. So what I usually do is copy one or two successful channel links or simply describe the type of videos they create and ask ChatGPT to analyze them. Tell it something like, analyze this YouTube channel, explain its content strategy, audience, editing style, thumbnails, video structure, and why these videos are getting so many views. This step is extremely important because instead of copying a channel, you're learning the formula behind its success. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a complete breakdown of everything you need to know. It will explain the storytelling style, the pacing, the thumbnail strategy, the hooks, and even why people keep watching until the end. Now that AI understands the niche, we move to the next step. Ask ChatGPT something like, I want to start a YouTube channel in this exact niche. Give me 50 viral video ideas with high click-through potential. Within seconds, you'll receive dozens of ideas. Some will be about investing, others about economics, some about businesses, stock markets, money psychology, financial mistakes, history of companies, and many more. Choose the one you like the most. For this tutorial, I'm going with this topic. Now we ask ChatGPT to write the entire script. I usually specify everything I want: the tone, the structure, the storytelling style, the hook, the chapters, and most importantly, the duration. For this example, I'm asking for a 10-minute script. But if your goal is YouTube monetization and long-term growth, I honestly recommend creating videos that are at least 20 minutes long. Longer videos generally have more watch time and give you more opportunities to earn revenue. Once the script is finished, we move on to creating the visuals. Now here's a trick that makes a huge difference. Take a screenshot from one of the successful videos in this niche. Upload that screenshot to ChatGPT, then ask something like, analyze the illustration style used in this image and write 30 detailed AI image prompts that match this exact style for every chapter of my script. This saves an incredible amount of time. Instead of trying to figure out the prompts yourself, AI creates them for you while keeping the visual style consistent throughout the entire video. One important tip: if you want your channel to be fully monetizable, don't rely on a small number of images. Generate lots of unique images. Personally, I recommend making sure no image stays on screen for more than around 8 to 10 seconds. Changing visuals frequently keeps viewers engaged and also helps create more original content. Next, we need the voiceover. For this, I personally use ElevenLabs. Simply paste your script, choose any voice you like. You can even clone your own voice if you want. Once everything sounds good, generate the narration and download the audio. Now, it's time to create the images. You can use Leonardo AI, Flux, Midjourney, Ideogram, or almost any AI image generator you like. All you have to do is copy one prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the AI image generator, generate the image. and download it. Repeat this process until you've generated every image you need for your video. Once all your visuals are ready, there's only one thing left to download before editing: background music. I personally use Pixabay because it offers a huge collection of royalty-free music. However, before downloading anything, always read the license carefully. Just because music is available for free doesn't always mean you can use it however you want. If you're not completely sure, the safest option is simply using music from the YouTube audio library. That way, you avoid copyright problems in the future. Now we're ready to edit. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import everything you've downloaded. The first thing I always add is the voiceover. This becomes the timeline for the entire video. Next, import all your images. Arrange them according to the narration. Adjust the duration of every image so it matches what is being said. Don't worry if you have to trim some images or make others slightly longer. The goal is to keep the visuals changing naturally while following the story. After that, you can make the video look even better with a few simple effects. I usually add a slight vignette, sometimes a little zoom animation, occasionally some stickers or arrows to highlight important information. Nothing too complicated. Simple edits are often the most effective. Now, import your background music. Place it underneath the narration. Cut it to match the length of the video. And don't forget one very important thing. Lower the music volume so your voice stays perfectly clear. The narration should always be the main focus. Finally, generate your subtitles. CapCut makes this incredibly easy. Click on Auto Captions. Choose the correct language. Wait a few seconds, then customize the font, colors, animation, size, and position however you like. Good captions make videos much more engaging and help improve viewer retention. And that's it. Your video is now completely finished and ready to upload to YouTube. As you can see, the entire process is actually much easier than most people think. With AI doing the scripting, image generation, and voiceover, you can create professional-looking videos without showing your face and without spending days editing. If you stay consistent and keep improving each upload, this niche has huge potential. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI YouTube automation tutorials, and let me know in the comments what niche you'd like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You reach for your phone just like every other day. You check your bank account. Instead of a balance, you see nothing. Not $0, not an error, just nothing. You open another banking app, nothing. You could check your savings, gone. Your investment account, gone. Every credit card, every debit card, every digital wallet, every cryptocurrency, gone. Confused, you turn on the television. Every news channel is broadcasting the same unbelievable headline. Money has disappeared. Not stolen, not frozen, not devalued. It simply no longer exists. No coins, no banknotes, no balances, no numbers inside computers, nothing that can be exchanged as money anywhere on Earth. At first, it almost sounds exciting. No debt, no bills, no taxes, no mortgages, no student loans. For a brief moment, it feels like humanity has been set free, but then reality begins to arrive. Because money isn't just something we spend. It's the invisible language that allows 8 billion strangers to cooperate. Without it, everything begins to change, and much faster than anyone expects. Let's start with the first hour. Most people would probably do the same thing. Go shopping if money no longer exists? Maybe everything is free now. People rush to supermarkets, parking lots fill within minutes, shopping carts overflow, bread, rice, water, medicine, baby formula. People grab everything they can carry. But something strange happens. The cashier doesn't know what to do. The barcode scanner still works, the shelves are still full, but payment no longer exists. Can you simply walk out? Does the store owner still own the products? Can they stop you? No, nobody knows. Within hours, every supermarket faces the same impossible question. Who gets the food without prices